Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we are going to talk about AWS Well-Architected Framework. AWS Well-Architected Framework is important and should be understood by anybody who is working with AWS Cloud. AWS Well-Architected Framework is developed by the AWS Solutions Architects based on years of experience architecting solutions for a wide variety of businesses. It helps to learn architectural best practices for designing and operating reliable, secure, efficient, cost-effective, and sustainable systems in the cloud. The framework provides a way for consistently measuring architectures against best practices and identify areas for improvement. It documents a set of foundational questions that help to understand if a specific architecture aligns well with cloud best practices. It also provides a consistent approach to evaluating systems against the expected qualities from modern cloud-based systems and the remediation that would be required to achieve those qualities. Like other frameworks, AWS Well-Architected Framework also defines a set of design principles that constitute the pillars for the framework. Now let us talk about the pillars of AWS Well-Architected Framework. The framework is based on the following 6 pillars: operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. Each pillar defines a set of design principles. Let's talk about them. The design principles for operational excellence states that perform operations as code, make frequent, small, reversible changes, refine operations procedures frequently, anticipate failure, learn from all operational failures, use managed services, and implement observability for actionable insights. The design principles to strengthen workload security states that implement a strong identity foundation, maintain traceability, apply security at all layers, automate security best practices, protect data in transit and at rest, keep people away from data, and prepare for security events. The design principles for reliability states that automatically recover from failure, test recovery procedures, scale horizontally to increase aggregate workload availability, stop gauging capacity, and manage change in automation. The design principles for performance efficiency states that democratize advanced technologies, go global in minutes, use serverless architectures, experiment more often, and consider mechanical sympathy. The design principles for cost optimization states that implement cloud financial management, adopt a consumption model, measure overall efficiency, stop spending money on undifferentiated heavy lifting, and analyze and attribute expenditure. The design principles for sustainability states that understand your impact, establish sustainability goals, maximize utilization, anticipate and adopt new, more efficient hardware and software offerings, use managed services, and reduce a downstream impact of your cloud workload. Now the question is, who are the intended users of these pillars of the AWS Well-Architected Framework? AWS recognized the following are the intended users: Chief Technology Officers, CTOs, architects, developers, and operations team members. In conclusion, a good understanding of the pillars of AWS Well-Architected Framework is important for all relevant parties of your organization. Follow the design principles of the framework while you migrate your workloads to the AWS cloud or develop your applications in the AWS cloud. That's all for AWS Well-Architected Framework. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.